Good morning students. Today I will go with class 8th maths chapter number 12 factorization with identities by using identities. Exercise 12.1 we have already done. Today I will go with exercise 12.2. In this exercise we will make the factors, but for that we will have to find the highest common factor. Short form is HCF. We will have to find the HCF. Like other numbers, counting numbers, we already know the method how to find HCF. So here also same in polynomials. Let us do first question. Find the highest common factor. So two terms are here, x raised to power 4, y raised to power 3, and second term is x raised to power 2, y. So first term we will expand it. X raised to power 4 is there, so we will write x 4 times, 1 2 3 4 times. Then y raised to power 3 means y comes 3 times, so I write here y 3 times by using multiplication sign between them. So next is x square y. X I wrote here 2 times, and y no power is there, so we will write 1 time. So HCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. कॉमन मीन्स जो दोनों नंबर में कॉमन है, कॉमन आ रहा है दोनों टर्म्स में. सो x 2 टाइम्स आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी 2 times. I underline these two terms. So y comes 1 time. So answer is x into x into y. So here x is 2 times. So I wrote x raised to power 2y. In other terms, in the simple method, if you want to judge from here, so here x raised to power 4, x raised to power 2, y raised to power 3. Here y raised to power, we can write here 1. So बच्चे lowest power will be the HCF. मीन्स यहाँ पे x raised to power 4 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, तो छोटी पावर वो लेनी है आपने, x raised to power 2. So here y raised to power 3, here power is 1. So power 1. So जो छोटी टर्म होगी दोनों में, सबसे छोटी पावर होगी वो वाली टर्म्स लेनी है. Let us do second part. 14 p square q r raised to power 4, 49 p square q square r, and third term is 35 p q r. So I wrote 3 terms like this, and 14's factor are 2 into 7, 7 to the 14. So p square we will write p 2 times, q 1 time, and r 4 times. So 49, 7 7s are 49, p square p 2 times, q 2 times, and r 1 time. Then 35 p q r, 7 5s are 35, p q r. So here if we will observe, 7 is common in all the 3 terms, so we will write 7 here. Then next one is p 1 time, q 1 time, and r 1 time. So 7 p q r is the HCF. Similarly you have to solve other parts also. You will take help from this assignment. Then next question number 2, factorized by taking out the HCF. 2x plus 8, 2 terms are here, and here is positive sign. We will not consider the positive sign. We will take the terms 2x and 8. So 2x we will write 2 into x, and 8 factors are 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So बच्चे here 2 is common, so we will write HCF 2. So we will make factor here. How we will use HCF for factorization? फिर यही टर्म लिख लो, HCF बाहर लोगे, what is left that will come in the bracket. So here x is left, 2 into 2 4 is left, so that terms we will keep in the bracket. Then part 2, 3a minus 9. So 2 terms are here, 3a minus 9. 3a we can write 3 multiplied by a, and 9 we can write 3 into 3. So 3 is common here, SCF is 3. So factorization is 3a minus 9 is equal to 3 we will write outside. What is left here, that will come in the bracket. Here is a, then minus sign is there, then we will write minus 3 will be here. So बच्चे, all the question method is same. You will take help from this assignment and practice by yourself. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.